with autonomous spool bell, whose purpose is to ring the spool bell automatically, without any need of a human being. We made this to save human time. It is a very reliable machine which does not have any delay, and it is accurate up to very millisecond. It is made up of an Arduino, a relay, and a bell. The case was 3D printed, which was provided us to by the Airtel Lab. It is very cost efficient and cost around 250 rupees only. I thank you Airtel Lab for providing us these facilities.